Moving can be a stressful experience, whether you're moving within Tulsa or to a completely new city. From packing your belongings to navigating unfamiliar roads, there's a lot to manage. That's where 3 Movers comes in, your trusted professional moving team that helps make every step easier. Let's take a look at why we are the best Tulsa movers near you. Moving to a new city or state can be overwhelming, but with 3 Movers, the process is smooth and stress-free. Our long-distance moving services include: for local moves within Tulsa, our team gets the job done faster than you could ever do alone. From apartments to houses, we handle all types of local moves with efficiency, save time, reduce stress, and let our movers take care of the heavy lifting. At 3 Movers, we offer a wide variety of services to meet your specific needs. Our offerings include: we know that moving can get expensive, which is why we offer transparent pricing and free estimates. If you're in the military and need to relocate, we specialize in military moves. From paperwork to transportation, we'll ensure your move is smooth and stress-free, no matter the distance or destination. For those making an international move, 3 Movers provides reliable services to ensure your belongings are safely transported across borders. From navigating customs to choosing the best shipping method, we've got you covered. Ready for your move? Contact us today for your free estimate and experience the best moving service in Tulsa.